business was something, it has to be physical. I need to meet the end client. I need to do everything in person, and like need to show the product. And without these things are not going to be possible for me to explore and enhance my business. But what here after this workshop, what I came to know that is there are a lot of other possibilities which not being physical, but creating stuff and scheduling things in advance and working towards those lines would definitely also get me more clientele and more business oriented leads and leads. And yes, so that was something that I was not aware of, and after doing the workshop I'm much more confident. Yes, and I'm quite excited also, I want to go about it, and I'm looking forward to my digital journey with the help of Monkey Ads and Palak Madhmali of course. And thank you Subhi ma'am for the lovely lunch. This is for your personal note. We've not met yet.
Thank you.
Yeah, but honestly, I mean, I was well aware about these platforms since we're very inclined towards digital marketing, and I've been to so I did this social service with YLAC last year. So we did did marketing and branding via spending money and on Facebook and Instagram. But then I think I always wondered how can I do it without spending the money, And as a person who aspires, I think it tracked down and it shortened and narrowed and funneled things that I should work upon, since it was all over the place. Just organize everything for me, and it will make things more effective than they are right now.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. That's the line which you want. Ultimately.
It really means a lot, and thank you so much. I mean, if you ask me for the workshop, I was like, for 5 hours, you want me to sit for 5 hours? But no, I mean, it was very insightful and very and I became a more knowledgeable person. It was just great. Thank you so much.
It just worth doing the workshop, doing it on individual things, working on individual things, and it's not just meant for as it's the workshops are meant for large companies and big ventures or something. No, working on an individual front also. A person who is connected, working or not working, maybe an influencer, maybe any person related to being in light with social or digital media is a must for it. And I would definitely recommend those investment of time and money, and the values that you get in return are much more to what you're investing. So 110%. Anyway, anyhow, blindly, if you're getting an opportunity, don't lose it. Monkey Ads is a place, guys. Go for it. Karo Monkey.
So yes, we'll take photo. Yes.